All about oranges, the king of vitamin C. Oranges are one of the most loved citrus fruits in the world. They are juicy, sweet, and packed with nutrients, making them a favorite for juices, snacks, and desserts. But did you know that oranges are actually a hybrid fruit? Yes, they are a mix of pomelo and mandarin. Scientific name: Citrus thyme sinensis. Family: Rutaceae. Native to China and India. Grown in Brazil, USA, India, Spain, and many tropical countries. Types of oranges. There are over 600 varieties of oranges, but here are some popular ones. Navel orange. Sweet, seedless, easy to peel. Valencia orange. Perfect for juicing. Blood orange. Red inside with a berry-like taste. Mandarin orange. Small, sweet, and easy to eat. Seville orange. Bitter. Used in marmalades. Nutritional value of oranges per 100 gram. Calories: 47 kilocalorie. Carbohydrates: 11.8 gram. Natural energy boost. Fiber: 2.4 gram. Good for digestion. Vitamin C: 53.2 milligram. Boosts immunity. Potassium: 181 milligram. Great for heart health. Water content: 86%. Keeps you hydrated. Health benefits of oranges: strengthens immunity. High in vitamin C. Good for digestion. Full of fiber. Hydrates the body. Made of 86% water. Keeps skin glowing. Rich in antioxidants. Protects the heart. Lowers cholesterol and BP. Aids in weight loss. Low in calories. High in nutrients. Fun facts about oranges. Oranges are a hybrid fruit, created thousands of years ago. The name orange comes from the Sanskrit word naranja. Brazil is the largest producer of oranges in the world. One orange provides over 90% of your daily vitamin C. Orange peels can be used to make natural cleaners and perfumes. How oranges grow. 1. Orange trees grow in warm, sunny climates. 2. They bloom with white flowers, which turn into tiny green oranges. 3. After 6 to 8 months, the fruit ripens and turns bright orange. 4. They are then hand-picked and ready to eat or juice. Uses of oranges. Eaten fresh. Just peel and enjoy. Orange juice. A refreshing and healthy drink. Desserts. Orange cakes, marmalade, and sorbets. Salads and dishes. Adds a citrusy flavor. Skincare. Orange peels are used in beauty products. Oranges are not just delicious, but also full of health benefits. They keep your body strong, skin glowing, and heart healthy. So, don't forget to eat an orange today.